So in this video, we will talk about the important terms and ideas for Chapter 2. And these, once again, are the bold-faced words. We will talk about frame of reference. That is to say, motion is relative. And we will talk about speed, scalar quantities, vector quantities, and displacement. On the next section, we have acceleration of gravity, inertia, mass, and the unit of mass fundamentally in this course will be the kilogram, although the gram is used, but the fundamental unit of mass is that of the kilogram. We will introduce the concept of force and what does it really mean, and the unit of force is the Newton. And once we get to Newton, that will be the first derived unit that we will get to. There will be many other derived units, but Newton happens to be the first one, the unit of force. And you will find that weight is another aspect of representing force. So Newton has three laws of motion in relative motion problems. The first law of motion, the second law of motion, and the third law of motion, all are listed here, and we'll go through all of them. This course, I will not talk very much about centrifugal force, although it's important. There's so many things to be covered that's one aspect that I will not spend much time on. Although it is italic here, um, just in passing, note that it exists, but we will not spend time on it, and I will not test you on that. We will talk about Newton's law of gravity. Okay, that brings me to the end of this presentation.